Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Firstly, apologies for the audio quality of this video. My lapel mic just died, so I promised to order another one for next week. Anyway, I'm doing a series of quick videos about eBay dropshipping and how to not get banned. This includes the top 5 mistakes that eBay dropship beginners make that immediately puts them on the eBay radar. This week's quick video is video number 4, and if you missed the other 4 videos, including the number 1 mistake that eBay dropship sellers make that gets them suspended or banned, I'll put a link at the end of this video. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online full-time for 24 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. So let's launch straight into it. This week's quick video is the 4th biggest mistake that eBay dropship sellers make. And like the other 3 mistakes in the previous week's videos, once you know what I'm going to show you, you can make sure that you set up your dropship business for the long haul so you can keep selling year after year. Okay, the 4th biggest mistake is using retailers like Amazon and Kmart and also using other marketplaces as suppliers. Put yourself in the shoes of an eBay buyer. Imagine if you log onto eBay and purchase this sandwich press for $85.96. And then when it arrives, it comes in a Kmart box. As almost everybody, including your customer, has heard of Kmart, the immediate next thought for many people is, I purchased this sandwich press from eBay for $85.96. Why has it arrived in a Kmart box? Should I have just purchased it from Kmart? I wonder, is this sandwich press cheaper on Kmart? Curiosity, of course, gets the better of them, so they log on to Kmart, and sure enough, the identical sandwich press that they paid $85 for is only $35. That's over $50 cheaper. Of course, this customer is not going to be a very happy bunny. In the industry, this is known as creating buyer confusion. The biggest cause for buyer confusion is when a buyer purchases an item from one retailer or marketplace, i.e. eBay, and then when it arrives, it comes from another well-known retailer like Kmart. This is why I've been saying for over 10 years to not use places like Kmart. And there's absolutely no need to use retailers like Kmart, as there's tons of other dropship suppliers out there that don't ship items in boxes from well-known retailers or marketplaces. If you need more local dropship suppliers, I'll also put a link at the end of this video where you can download now a free list of over 900 popular dropship suppliers. If you missed the first video showing the number 1 reason eBay dropship beginners get banned, I'll also put a link up here and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.